So hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to open an iPad screen over here. So I'm doing this in my home. I'm not using any fancy tools over here. So this is my iPad, so it's about 6 years old, 6 to 7 years old. So I'm going to open it. So the tools, it will be really shocking to you. So these three are going to be the main tools. Okay, so this is just a plastic scale, and this is some ointment or paste, something. It's a wood piece. So I'm going to open my iPad using these things. So every household would have it. No need to go and buy some plastic things from the shop. So first thing, you need to see how your iPad is going to be attached to your screen. So iPad screen, basically they will stick just stick this part. Okay, you can see here they will just stick this part. So using this, first you need to use this and just going to create some gap between the part. Okay, so that's what we're going to do over here. So okay, so we're just going to find the edge. Okay, pierce it inside it, and after piercing that, you're just going to move it throughout the iPad. Okay, like this, slowly. Okay, slowly. Okay, if you don't have anything, everything, I think every household is going to have something. You can even use your toothpaste. Okay, side end, just draw a line. Okay, okay, as you can see here, just taken most of the gums, just sticking with his gums. Okay, so it's, once it dries up, it's pretty much easy to take it out. So no damage done. So I've just now opened my iPad over here. So this is just a plastic screen, so this is completely replaceable. So what we need to worry is that no damage is done to our main screen. Okay, so that's the thing that we need to worry about. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. So Mindset Program channel. Also check out my other videos in my channel's video list, and thanks for watching.